So I have my antlers ready, my reindeer antlers. Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. First up, I wish to say a Merry Christmas to you all because hopefully this video will be going out on Christmas Day. I have my reindeer antlers on, but it doesn't show in one shot, but just in case you're wondering what this hairband is, they're reindeer antlers, okay? Pretty cool, no? So before we get started with today's vlog, I wish to share and dedicate a first part of my video to a brand that I love, and that is none other but Glamermaid. Glamermaid, you have seen me talk about this brand before. I've done previous videos with them and I absolutely adore their brand. They sell a variety of press-on nails with different shapes, different sizes, different designs. They're absolutely amazing and fantastic. And they're like the first brand that I tried where I tried the press-on nails with adhesive tabs, because adhesive tabs are much better for your nail bed. They protect your nail much more, and for people like me who cannot have nails on the go at all times, they're easy. They don't last too long, but they just last right enough for you to enjoy them for a special night out or something like that. I want to share some designs with you, but I also wish to share that they have also some new rings as well. I have two, they're on me at the moment, and these are the two. So we have this one, which is absolutely adorable with a heart, and then we have this one, which is with a moon and a star. But obviously their main focus is definitely press-on nails, and I wish to share some new designs that they so kindly sent me. And also I wish to share that I have a 15% discount code, so you can enter KEZIA15 and you get 15% off your Glamermaid order, just in case you're wondering as well. So yes, so let's start with this one. I don't know yet which one I'm going to be doing today, but we'll see. So we have these ones right here, which are so beautiful. I love the black one right there. We've got this one, which is catching my eye. Honestly, it's like black and white with some stars over there. They're absolutely stunning. Honestly, the quality of these nails are also really good. I have no complaint whatsoever, and they also come at very affordable prices as well. We have a Christmas themed one, which I've shared on my Instagram and also a YouTube short, so love these. Already put them on and absolutely adore them. So I have different sizes as well. I have longer ones, shorter ones, and then we have this one. So this is more of like pastel colors, and I would say this would be cute for like spring and summer, especially like summer when you're going to the beach or something. That's what they remind me of. And then we have, these are absolutely gorgeous as well, and I think these are the ones I'm going to be wearing on and putting on today. So they're the shorter ones as well. These are really cute. They're very neutral and they have little butterflies on them. Honestly, they're beautiful. The top ones are matte, just in case you're wondering. We have these ones. Wait a second. Sorry. They're with like floral lines as well. Very cute, and then like a plum nail shade as well, but so pretty. And I love this one. I think this is the one that I would probably put on after I apply these ones today. They're like brown neutral lines, which I absolutely love this design as well. I'm going to be using these today, so let's just put on these. I'm going to be applying them with you guys. Each box will come like this. You will get a pack of this, right? So you get a nail file, this thing for the cuticle, and then a wipe to kind of make sure that your base is all set and prepped for the nails. And then you will get 4 packs of adhesive tabs, which you'll have enough to cover all your nails. And then obviously you'll get the different shapes and sizes for your nails. I find that with Glamermaid, they offer a variety of sizes, which is amazing. So they definitely have your size for sure. Let's apply them. So excited, can't deny it. First thing what I like doing is I like choosing the different sizes that I have. So I got my nails all ready to go here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this pack over here. First, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to file my nails because some of them are a bit too long. I filed my nails. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually like push down my cuticle with the stick. Now I'm going to open the prep pad and I'm just going to wipe my nails. So my nails now are all prepped. And now I'm going to start applying the adhesive tabs. I always get my tweezers because those are very handy. So now we're going to just start. I'm going to start by ripping off an adhesive tab. Oops. that, pressing on the adhesive tab, pressing it. After you press it on, you're going to get your tweezers, rip off the adhesive tab, and then you're going to grab your nail, and I'm going to literally squash it on and literally slide it. I'm literally sliding down the nail so it goes into your cuticle. That's the nail applied. Very nice, no? So now I'm going to put on the others and you're gonna see me do that. Okay, so these are the nails applied. As I'm applying them, I'm realizing that they have nothing to do with Christmas, but it's fine. But they're really, really pretty, and I actually really love them, honestly. And they honestly look like my nails. Without them, I feel so incomplete, and they don't match my lipstick, but they're so close to. Okay, so those are the nails, and that is all about Glamermaid, which I wish to share. Is the first part of my video, and now I'm going to let you enjoy my vlog. I hope you enjoy it, and again, I wish to say Merry Christmas to you all.
It's KEZIA here from KezziesCorner, and today we've just been on such a wonderful outing.
Hi everyone, it's KEZIA here from KezziesCorner, obviously, as Luke has very well shared with you all. Today is Sunday and it is the 18th of December, and as you just saw, we actually saw Santa Claus, which is absolutely amazing. We have just been to an escape room with a group of our friends, and we had some lunch as well. I did not vlog anything, but it was a really good time and a good end to the week basically. Now we're going to just go head home. I have to continue working on my vlog, which hopefully will be up for you guys tomorrow. So now we will see, but apparently there's like a truck which is very slow. That poor guy, but it's fine. The only piece I actually took was of the sea, because we went to Marsa Scala to eat lunch, and it's absolutely beautiful. The sky today again is stunning. We're having such good, beautiful December weather. I'm starting the vlog over here, and let's see what this week will hold. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you.
Everyone, I'm back in Valletta. Today is Wednesday and it is the 21st of December, and I'm just meeting a friend. I have a week off now from work, so I'm very excited about that. It's so beautiful here, honestly. The Fairyland, they did it really well. So yes, I'm just gonna go and wait for my friend, and we're gonna go have a coffee and catch up. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so today is Thursday, the 22nd of December, and we went to the Ta'ali artisan whatever village, and we expected better. To be honest, it's quite like a haunted town, I swear. If we had to describe it,
It was quite dead.
it was quite, yes, it was quite so. So now we're gonna go home and we're gonna make some dinner, I guess.
Yes, dinner
What are we
time.
going to eat?
Why not? We'll figure it
I think
out.
you have to go on the other side, no outside.
Uh-huh.
I think so.
Oh well,
Am I right?
probably.
I got it on camera now. So that's basically it. I thought that it would have much more entertaining things, but it did not, sadly enough, but it's fine. Today we had a very good day at the place and we got a lot of things done. So, oh yeah, productive day in summer. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Hope you're all taking care. And I'll talk to you guys later. Hi everyone. Okay, so today is the 23rd of December and I look a mess, but that's because we've been at the place cleaning. Today was a cleaning day and we just did that. Tonight though, I'm very excited because we're gonna go watch a panto and we're gonna have dinner with our friends and we're going to the Fairyland in Valletta. So at least tonight will be very nice. So now I'll go home, Vilfatti, I'll just get ready a little bit. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Fairyland.
Yes, yes.
Look how pretty it is. So pretty.
Kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh.
Hi everyone. So I just wanted to check in with you guys. I was supposed to record my makeup, doing my makeup, but obviously I always forget parts. I just also want to share with you guys that look at where my makeup is at the moment, because all my makeup is at the place. So I have makeup here and makeup in this bag only. So it's really like weird, but it's easy actually to get my makeup because I know that I just have these products and no more. That's good. So I've just finished my makeup. I just have to put on some lipstick, which I think I put out. I'm going to use this one just in case. This is the liquid lipstick Mad About Matte from Essence. It's called Mad Matters actually. I absolutely love these. Today is Saturday and it is Christmas Eve basically. It's the 24th of December. So I cannot believe that tomorrow is Christmas. It's insane that it's already like here and it just doesn't feel Christmassy. I don't know. Well, I know a lot of changes are happening within my family, so it's normal. I'm basically about to just record a piece of the intro that you would have already seen by now. I'm going to be doing my nails, which I'm excited about. Today, all we're going to be doing is I'm going to be going to Luke's family and we're going to have dinner at theirs. And then tomorrow we're going to have Christmas lunch at mine. Looking forward to it. It's going to be the last Christmas that we're going to be having at this house. So it's quite sad at the same time. I don't know. And it's also the last Christmas I'm going to be having while I'll be living with them. So yeah, maybe next year, who knows, we'll host Christmas. I don't know, a lot of emotions. I don't think I've been processing enough this week because I've been so much on the go with regards to the place. So yesterday, for example, we went to clean. The day before I went and I took more stuff and was organizing more stuff. Today, Luke should be packing. I'm gonna record that piece of the intro and then hopefully I get a piece of Christmas lunch or Christmas Eve dinner tonight. And then probably I'll stop and end the vlog here and hopefully start editing it so it goes up on Christmas Day tomorrow. Hopefully I'll manage. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what comes. But yeah, I just wanted to come and say hello over here. And, you know, I just also wish to say I hope you all have a lovely Christmas. And I am aware that, and I wish to acknowledge that, you know, this time of year, it is not always easy for everybody. So my heart goes out to all of you. And I hope you're taking care and doing what you need for yourselves to support yourselves through this time as well. So yeah, kisses to all. And I'm gonna go and record the intro, which I'm excited to because I get to do some nails and relax a bit. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Oh, I really enjoyed the Christmas panto that we went to watch yesterday of Chick-Fil. Really, really good. So anyways, I'm gonna love you and I'm gonna leave you. And just in case if I don't talk to you guys, happy Christmas from me to you all. Bye.
Every holiday